Welcome traders. Okay, I'm looking at DXY. I've updated the structure. Before it was somewhere down here, but I've updated it now to something that's a little bit more relevant, and we can see it's in a larger expanding pattern, and we also have an expanding pattern in the middle of the pattern. But what we can see on the 1 hour time frame is some form of compression. So this compression is telling us an first-hand indication that we could get a rally to the upside, potentially to come out and take out these potential highs and also fill the liquidity at the supply level. So again, we're waiting for some commitment from the buyers and a potential retest. Is there anything else that I can see? No. Long term on the DXY, I'm expecting price to take out these lows, and eventually come and retest the outer structure. So in terms of an entry, there's nothing really going on. There's one small lower high on a smaller time frame, but the rest remains to be seen. So for the DXY, short-term rally to the upside is my forecast. Next on the list is dollar CAD. Again, there's a potential short-term rally to the upside. Maybe since there's lots of room to the upside here, it could even go higher. We don't know yet. But we did forecast a test of this level, which is actually in confluence with this. Surprisingly, I never took this trade. I wasn't really in sync. If I'm honest, I was really too busy. But I can see a potential boomerang. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that price has compressed. Compression. It's done a 1, 2, and a fake out of the third one. We do have some compression. We could get a rally to the upside and come out to here, but most likely a conservative take profit would probably be around here. So there's not much going on dollar CAD. We do have a rejection. However, if we do get a break of structure above these equal highs, then I would definitely be interested in a long somewhere approximately within this level of unfilled liquidity. This level has now been filled. As you can see, it's been filled, and now I'm expecting a potential, just one more stop hunt of this level and a nice long entry around here to minimum the start of this pattern. Yeah, minimum the start of that pattern. Not much going on, but again, I need my spherical schematic, which is a double bottom stop hunt, or a compression schematic, and then a rally, or one of my other favorites is the double bottom stop hunt. So we've got the double bottom, we then have a stop hunt. This is the first stop hunt, and then we get a second stop hunt, and then a further upside. So this is one of these schematics. Whichever one applies itself first and comes, I'll be looking to take it. But for now, this is the game plan for dollar CAD on a short-term basis, a long towards at least this level. And I'll be banking profit at TP1 here. This will be my main take profit. If price comes up here, I'm prepared for a sell. But for now, what takes precedence is the most relevant piece of price action and market structure. So this is the game plan for dollar CAD. Next on the list is Kiwi CAD. Okay, Kiwi CAD is pretty interesting. If we go to the daily, what's actually happening? We can see that price broke our momentum. It's now closing a little bit back inside, but really I'm separating structure and the pattern. We all know that price has taken out these highs, right? And it's completely filled some orders, and it's broken down momentum. It's taken out so many lows. The trend right now on dollar CAD is very bearish. Right now, there's just a pullback. So this is the current pullback I can see on Kiwi CAD. However, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, what else can we see? I'm expecting price to do two things. Take out these highs here. Take out these highs, some equal highs, and then potentially fill this level of liquidity just a little bit above the highs. this is where I'll be looking to get involved on a short trade. So somewhere here, and then plan B would be just a little bit above here. So this is actually the game plan for Kiwi CAD. But again, I need price to develop. I need some form of structure or pattern. So if we can get something like either some form of compression or some form of a clearer pattern somewhere around here, then I'll be looking to take this trade. Or it could just completely just compress and then drop. So I'm remaining patient on Kiwi CAD. Highly likely to take out these highs, but I need further confirmation. Right now, there's not much going on. Originally, there was actually a clear pattern here, but you can see it's broken to the upside. So since it's broken to the upside, then I can delete the pattern now. It becomes irrelevant. So right now, the most relevant piece of price action is what's happening right now. This will be my take profit 1, since there's definitely some equal lows there. And then TP2 can be on here, but longer term picture, I can see Kiwi CAD dropping back down to 0.83430. But short term targets, I'm looking for a sell right now on Kiwi CAD. So that's the game plan for Kiwi CAD. Next on the list is cable. So cable. What can we see? Cable, as forecasted, broke out to the downside. There's compression, and now I'm expecting another breakout to the downside with this similar compression. But with this compression here, we need further confirmation. The game plan originally with cable, you can see the equal highs. I'm expecting a stop hunt to tap this level or the outer structure of this liquidity, or even the third tap of this trend line. I don't know which one's going to happen, but I am confident that based on the back tested data, there is a chance of it dropping to the downside, take out these equal lows and come into minimum this level here, and then eventually down here to retest this structure. So this is the game plan for cable, but with cable we need confirmation. We've got the equal highs. Do we have any liquidity here? Maybe, but there's lots of room to the upside. So really I'm expecting this level of liquidity approximately up here to be filled. And to complete a third tap of structure. So with cable we need to remain really patient. So we've either got liquidity here, or potentially we could have some liquidity just above these equal highs, which should be in confluence with the third tap of the outer structure. As you can see, 1, 2, and last but not least 3. So there's plan A and there's also plan B. So again, we just need to remain really patient on cable. Not much going on the 1 hour time frame. This is what I call a trap. You can see clear equal highs, very clear. Big chances just going to just rocket to the upside, take out these equal highs, and we'll see what's going to happen around this level. And then plan B would be to take out these equal highs to test this level of unfilled liquidity. But for now, definitely expect a rally to the upside to take out these equal highs. So that's the game plan for cable. And that's it for today. So dollar CAD, Kiwi CAD, and cable. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.